racing is always at its best. And they're off and running. Early lead is taken by Lim Shoti. It's Lim Shoti in the lead, followed by Don Eduardo's Best on the outside. On the farther outside, Armidale and Deputy Stravinsky Hoy Tamana moving up on the inside. And heading for the backstretch, it's Lim Shoti by 3.5 lengths, followed by Don Eduardo's Best in second. And in third on the outside is Armidale, Deputy Stravinsky, Open Mind, Hoy Tamana, and Traditional Dream. And nearing the mid-back stretch, it is still Lim Shoti by 3.5 lengths, followed by Don Eduardo's Best in second. Armidale remains in third, and Deputy Stravinsky running in fourth, and closing in fifth is entry number 4, Open Mind, Traditional Dream, and Hoy Tamana. Rounding the pattern, it is still Lim Shoti in the lead. It's Lim Shoti by 3.5 lengths, followed now by Deputy Stravinsky on the outside in second, and by the rail is Don Eduardo's Best and Open Mind. It's Lim Shoti and Open Mind moving up on the outside. It's Lim Shoti, Open Mind moving up on the outside, and by the rail is Don Eduardo's Best. The last bend for home, it's Open Mind on the outside, Don Eduardo's Best by the rail. On the further outside, Deputy Stravinsky and Armidale. And into the home stretch, it's Open Mind in the lead, followed by Don Eduardo's Best by the rail, Armidale on the further outside. Open Mind by the rail, Armidale moving up now on the outside. It is now Armidale on the outside. And nearing the payoff line, it's Armidale. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Armidale, Deputy Stravinsky, Open Mind, Don Eduardo's Best, Traditional Dreams, Hoy Tamana, Lim Shoti.
Okay, crossing the wire first.